12:23, going to kayak White Star Quarry in Castalia. Me and Kimmy. Kimmy, where at, Kimmy? Kimmy, there she is. Hey, wave hi, Kimmy. There she is. All right. We've been here before. I got him. Woo! Fish number one, largemouth. Oh, it is. Babe, it's huge. My kayak. Struggle's real, guys. Okay, guys, bass number two. That's a whopper. All right. All right, clean hook out. You're gonna be just fine. Woo! Number three. Nice. Fish on. Bass number four. Okay, guys, so today I'm using the Missile Destroyer Green Pumpkin. Missile Destroyer is the only plastic crawl baits I use. Okay, we are calling it a day. So I caught 4 largemouth. I missed 2 other ones. Well, it's a good day.